realized that I actually need to play the game. Okay, I'm playing Hunt with this person. He is my friend. Yeah, friend, we're equals. He's probably better at the game than me. We're gonna play Hunt. Alright, what map do you want? Forest, cave, canyon.
I can show you how good I am. Before we go.
What map though?
This map.
I don't need to see how good you are. Here, okay, we're going in forest? Okay, come over here.
I show you.
Okay. Here, let's just get in forest first.
Wait, let me click forest. Okay, it's on.
Did it work? It works. Okay.
Yeah, if yours not tag again,
I don't play Hunt a lot.
if you're that color, then you gotta tag the
Okay,
other.
yes, I do play Hunt a
Hey, let
lot.
me
That's
tag
all I
you.
play.
Hey,
Yo, guys, y'all should
Blue,
kill each other.
let me
Y'all should
tag
kill
you.
each other real quick.
Let me
Y'all
tag
should just
you.
kill each other real quick, guys.
Yes.
Oh, that was... Good job, other purple. Good job, fellow purple. Oh, we're not the same color code. Which purple,
You
buddy?
purple.
Oh.
Either of you, any.
Oh, wait. Wait, can I...
Wait, you red. Let me tag you. There.
Come here, let me slaughter you like a pig, buddy. Come here, little piggies. What are you, little piggies?
Oh, there's tag lag again.
No, there's not. Oh, crap, there is.
Get over here, my friend. Get over here, boy. Oh, shit. Billy Bob. Billy Bob, where are you, Billy Bob?
No.
Billy. Negative.
No, no.
Negative zone. Negative zone. Negative zone.
Dude, okay, my cousin was doing that once when I was trying to make a video, but the video ended up being 30 minutes long, so I scrapped it. But,
Little boy.
they were like,
You're a little boy.
tag the YouTuber? And she would just yell at me as I was running. And it was an infection. It was scary.
I won without doing a single thing.
Bonk, bonk. Hey, you little boy.
Wait, friend? Negative? Other negative?
What the heck? No. Who's the little boy? Yes, the little boy. Little boy tagged me. Hey, you little boy. You little boy.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Oh my gosh.
Someone's chasing me. I hate you all.
Oh, I just
Oh, my God.
jumped right beside that guy.
Wait, how you do that? Yes. Wait, did I escape?
I have two friends here. One of them's probably playing Gun Raiders or Super Hot, as of currently.
Oh, my God.
Gun Raiders, I was right. I'm probably gonna make another Gun Raiders. Nah, I'm gonna just play normally. I like just playing normally a lot. Cause I'm a normal person. Bro. Yo, can you slow that blue party hat for me, friend? Hey man, don't say that.
That has to be.
Okay.
Come here, friend.
No, that was you.
Oh my gosh, that was the worst thing. Oh crap. I knew it. I knew it.
Stop bonking me.
I can't scream anymore. I have ruined that right that I had.
Someone just beat my high score in Beat Saber, and that's unacceptable. So I might
What do you mean by
leave
that?
the game and just get my
Wait,
average
Beat Saber? You just like... Never mind, I know what Beat Saber is and I'm not gonna make that joke. That would be... Stop it! Stop
By
it!
the way, Purple, Party Hat has you. So you should
Party Hat doesn't have me, Goofy. Oh wait, you're talking to the other purple.
No, not that purple. Jesus Christ. Party Hat has a cowboy purple.
Yes, you can go give me candy.
Oh crap. Uh-oh. Oh no! That would have been
I'm not
awesome.
very good at parkour, but I tried to do my best. Parkour.
Like Gorilla Tag parkour or real life parkour?
Yeah, like Gorilla Tag parkour. I'm good at real life parkour.
But that's all there is in Gorilla Tag. basically. If wall running counts, yo, you haven't talked in a while, buddy.
I've played Monkey Mischief and I do not like it.
It's because one of my friends wants my phone number. So, you know, I got an ammo better give it to him.
Wait, you play Monkey Mischief?
I'm gonna ban you.
Yeah.
Live free.
I play
But I
Monkey
don't like
Mischief.
it. Not at all.
Have you played the horror mode?
Yes, please don't. I will binge to play minigames. Popsicle. I will binge you. Remember that. There's Lucky on the shelf.
There he is. Come here, friend.
Purple. Like.
What about purple?
Green, come.
Oh wait. What did you say about purple? Huh? Huh?
No, I said it was a different purple. The purple.
I wish you were a horror monkey.
Yeah, me,
I
boy.
wish you were a horror monkey.
Yeah.
I'd rather go against a horror monkey.
Suck me, baby.
What the heck? Dude, this is why I don't make gorilla type videos.
I wish I was faster, man.
No. I wish I was faster, bro. Look at me. I'm slow. The only thing I can juke is a horror monkey.
I bet I'm about to get tagged.
What? Come on, big. Big five nuts. Big fit. Big dick.
Crap.
Again.
I can't climb that much.
Big dick.
Oh, no.
GG's.
Alright, that's probably enough video. I gotta keep it like under 10 minutes or something. You know what? It doesn't matter.
Hello.
Did you really just do that?
Did like a really fast
Haha. Hey, you should get your friend to join. Here, wait, I got an idea. Here, join code WATT. Join code WATT. Go join it. Hey, everybody who wants to play. Anybody want to play Hunt and except in every map? Anybody want to play Hunt in every map?
He's watching one away.
Want to play Hunt in every map, guys? Anybody want to play? Okay, anybody else? I need more people. You want to play Hunt in every map?
Oh, what do you... What did you say?
Do you want to play Hunt in every map?
Yes.
What's Hunt?
It's the game mode you're in.
I know Hunt.
We're in Hunt right now.
Yeah. Okay. Everybody join code W.
I wanna play.
Okay. Everybody join code
In every game.
WATT. The code is WATT.
W on infection? On infection?
No, on. Bro, what? It's like, want to play Hunt in every map? No. On infection? Oh, nice shot.